see how we get through. He's got a boat. Oh, we just need to get across this bit and then, oh no, look at this road here. Crikey. I think we're alright, just go slow.
Look at the bicycle.
He's alright. This is Barley Market. Dun, dun, dun. Had to wade through knee-deep water. It's only ankle-deep here. Yeah. So careful what you stand on, though. All flooded in the market. Look, knee deep down there, look. It is worse than ours.
Let's go deep over here. It's not even next to the traffic light.
Yeah, you gotta stop. Ah, I'm not liking standing on stuff.
It's a swimming pool. It's a swimming pool. It's a summer swimming pool.
They've got their kids in a boat. A swimming pool boat. Well, that's one way to embrace the experience. There's the burger place, there's the supermarket, there's our banh mi place. That's nuts. There's a family with a kid in a boat. And everyone's trying to salvage stuff. I think people are just grabbing what they can find out of the market.